This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm looking at the foyer of Unit 1101, which is wide enough for a hall console table. And as you head into the unit, you have these terrific wide closets. A lot of closet space. Continuing into the unit, the bath, you're seeing the plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. It's an oversized bath with a wide vanity, back of drawers for storage, soaking tub, a rain shower head, and a makeup mirror. Great lighting. The bedroom is directly opposite the bath, faces west, has high ceilings, a wide wall of windows. Got a view out to the Target, the L station nearby, looking toward Julasco just over a block away, and you have a view south toward Wrigley Field. It's a nice sized room, and the high ceilings make it feel even larger. Heading into the living dining area, 2 walls of windows. Just a great feel opening up the space to the west, where you're going to have a view of the sunset, and to the north, where you have a view out over Lincoln Park and Clarendon Park. Just literally across the street from 811 Uptown. All of the windows have roller blinds. Nice feel to this room. The lowered ceiling over the kitchen area adds some architectural interest to the space. You have a wide breakfast bar peninsula, stainless steel appliance package, contrasting dark stained and white cabinetry. It's a dishwasher, of course, an under-counter microwave, a range hood, gas range, and gray slate countertops. And there's a front-loading, full-size washer-dryer behind the louvered doors. Very attractive space here. We have a building that has terrific amenities, including a pool deck that spans about 50,000 square feet. This is something very special in the Uptown Clarendon Park neighborhood, and you really have to visit if you're looking for a new apartment on the north side of Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.